Want to boost your mobile to PC experience? In this video, we review WooTechy MirrorDisp, covering keyboard or mouse control, screen recording, streaming, multi-device mirroring, and file transfer. We'll break down pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right tool for you. Part 1. What is WooTechy MirrorDisp? WooTechy MirrorDisp mirrors Android or iOS on PC in real time, supports file transfer, recording, screenshots, and multiple devices for gaming, streaming, or collaboration. Part 2. Key features of WooTechy MirrorDisp. Part 3. User reviews of WooTechy MirrorDisp. Part 4. How to use WooTechy MirrorDisp coupon code. Users can first obtain WooTechy MirrorDisp along with the coupon code to get started at a discounted price. This user guide demonstrates how the software works by taking Android to PC screen mirroring as an example. Step 1. Install and launch WooTechy MirrorDisp on PC or Mac and select Android. Step 2. Connect via Wi-Fi or USB. Wi-Fi ensure both devices share a network. Allow firewall access. Enable developer mode and USB debugging, then install the mobile terminal. USB. Connect via USB. Select MiTP. Enable developer mode and USB debugging, and install the mobile terminal. Step 3. Use features, control apps or games with keyboard and mouse. Take screenshots, record, or stream to YouTube, Zoom, Discord, etc. Part 5. Pros and cons of WooTechy MirrorDisp. Pros. User-friendly. Supports USB Wi-Fi, smooth high-res mirroring, live streaming, keyboard or mouse control. Responsive support. Cons. Free version limited. iOS features weaker. Wi-Fi may lag. Some device compatibility issues, for example, OnePlus 9 Pro. Part 6. Best WooTechy MirrorDisp alternative screen mirror specialist. Screen mirror lets you mirror Android or iOS to PC with minimal lag. Control via keyboard or mouse, and record or capture screens for tutorials or sharing. Simple tutorial for Android users. Install Screen Mirror on PC. Connect Android via USB. Select transfer files. Enable developer mode and USB debugging. Grant permissions. Click Turn on to install the APK, then mirror and control your phone on Windows or macOS. For iPhone or iPad, install Screen Mirror on PC. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi. Allow network access. Enable screen mirroring from Control Center. Pair via Bluetooth. And control your iPhone from the PC.